Good evening, everybody. I'm Mike Nicely, and I'm the principal at Braxton Middle School, and I'm honored to open this renaming ceremony. The Braxtons are the epitome of hard work and achieving at the highest level. Mr. Braxton had a rewarding career as a Master Gunnery Sergeant in the United States Marine Corps and is a Congressional Gold Medal recipient. Mrs. Braxton served as an educator with our Prince William County Public School System for 33 years.
Unity represents this community coming together as one. The name Braxton honors a man who is a strong pillar of the community and a woman who has dedicated her life to teaching students. The Braxtons serve as exemplary role models for every single student who comes through the doors of this school.
Students who are here tonight, you have the opportunity to use this wonderful school as a launching pad for your future goals and dreams. Like Mr. and Mrs. Braxton, set those goals and work hard toward achieving them every single day.
It means everything to me. Not only just because of the name of the school, but I just think of all the people that showed up to represent the school.
My goal was to make sure the students knew they could achieve what my mom and my dad have achieved in life and make impactful differences in the community.
I proudly dedicate Unity Braxton Middle School to teaching and learning for this and all succeeding generations.